Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to unbox this giant huge box, and this is guess what box for the month of April. So let's just open and see what I got this time. Alright, so this is how the box looks like, blue in color, and it has like a silver ribbon on it. So I'm just gonna open and see what I got. And this is how it looks from inside, and I have an info card, and this is their first anniversary, and it's like a official anniversary box. So I'm really excited to open this because it's their anniversary box, and I am assuming that it should be like special one. So let's just open and see what I got. I can see a lot of things. The very first thing I can see are this is like a jelly pop. These are jellies, and it's like a lollipop, so I think it's just like a jelly pop. I don't have a sweet tooth, so I think I'm just gonna give it to Harry. He loves having sweets, so yeah, this is what I got. All right, then I have, this is Yuppie Gummy Pizza, and it's like a gummy bear in the shape of like kind of like a pizza they have made. I don't know what it is. So this is how it looks like. Then they have like a special you know, these kind of info cards. It's their anniversary edition, and all the information about the products is written here in it's like a very unique, like in a diary form, which is really nice. And yeah, so the very first thing I can see is by NYX, and it's their glitter primer. And yeah, I'm always happy to get makeup. So this is their glitter primer, and I am so excited to use it. Actually, I want to participate in NYX Face Awards, so I can use it in that. So yeah, that's that. And this NYX professional makeup glitter primer is worth ₹1200. Yeah. And then I see one more eatable item, and this is Chupa Chups sour belt. And yeah, I can have this. This is like a khatti meathi thing, so I can have this. It's not just meathi thing. The next thing I can see, okay, there is some jewelry. Ooh, these are pretty earrings. Oh my god, look at these. These are black metal earrings, and you guys know how much I love black metal earrings, and this is how they look like. Super pretty, love it. And these are silver Indian jhumkas, and they retail for 299 Indian rupees. Then I have another pouch, this little pouch. These are 2 tea light candles. Yeah, I already have like a big pack of tea light candles, so there are 2 tea light candles. So yeah, that's that. I'm just gonna put with them. Okay, it says that these tea light candles come with a tea light. It's like they come with a decorative bottle. I think it's with that, so I have to like search for the bottle. I think it's the part of this thing. Anyways, I'm just gonna see what else I got. Okay, then I have fuchsia, and this is what it is. So this is fuchsia, lavender and calendula hydrating face gel. Yeah, so this is a face gel, and this is 100% handmade, SLS free, paraben free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, cruelty free, and it's made in India. And this is 100 grams of product, and this retails for 450 Indian rupees. Right, that's that. And then I have, oh, this is a makeup remover, and it's by Fuchsia, and this is like a natural handmade makeup remover called Citrus Blast, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 50 ml, and again it's made in India. I already have this similar bottle, and in that I got a toner which is really nice. That's like a lavender toner from Fuchsia, and I'm using it, and it's really nice, and I have high hopes with this makeup remover as well. And this makeup remover retails for 250 Indian rupees. Right, I see NYX glitter as well, which is awesome. It's like a silver glitter, and it's like a face and body glitter, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 2.5 grams, that is 0.8 O's. I'm so glad to have this because definitely I can use it in my entry for the next Face Awards. Yeah, I'm just gonna try entering this time. And this NYX Professional Face and Body Glitter retails for 999 rupees. That's that. Alright, then I have, this is like nicely bubble wrapped thing. Thank God it's not broken. Yeah. Ooh, it looks really nice. Oh, pretty. I'm just gonna hang it. Okay. Alright, so this is where the candles will go, the tea light candles, and this is the chain, hanging chain, and you just have to put the candles here, and this glass bottle will go the lamp. So you can just put candlelight here, the tea light candles, and this is how the bottle is gonna look like. So this is how it looks like. It's really pretty, and I'm so glad that it's not broken. It's in one piece. So yeah, that's that. And the candle and the tea light candles are with this. And this decorative bottle tea light candle holders hanging lamp retails for 349 Indian rupees. Alright, then I see some clothing items. Yay! Okay, so I think this is like a kurta. It's like a blue kurta, so I'm just gonna see how it looks like. Ooh, it's pretty. So this is a kurta. Yeah, it's really nice. I love the color. Yeah, really, very pretty. It's like a free size. I have to like alter it according to my size, but it's really nice. Nice cotton kurta. Okay, so this is free size kurti, and it retails for 299 Indian rupees. Alright, I'm just left with one item, and it is also a clothing item. And let's just open and see. It's white in color, and it has little flowers on it, blue flowers. I have no idea what it is exactly, but I'm just gonna see it. Ooh, it's a skirt. It's a skirt. Yeah. This is how the skirt looks like. It's a really long skirt. Really summery because it's white and it has like a blue floral pattern. So it's really, really summery. Yeah. Definitely be wearing it and trying it out. So yeah, that's the skirt. And this is the ethnic long skirt, and it retails for 399 Indian rupees. And yeah, that's what I got in my April's Guess What box, and I completely loved it. Yes, it did seem like their anniversary edition because there are a lot of things which I am really excited to try. So yeah, loved this time's box, and rest all the details of the box will be in the description box, so go and check it out. And if you're watching me for the first time, then hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys later. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy.